In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate audio in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use BandLab's splitter to break a single audio track into multiple parts, so you can mix and edit with more control. First, open your web browser and head to the BandLab website. On the home page, look for the Login option at the top and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option. When the Google account chooser appears, click the account you want to use, then confirm by selecting Continue. Make sure you're signing in with the account that holds the project you want to edit so everything shows up in your library right away. Once you're in, go to the library. This is where all your recent projects and drafts live. Find the project you want to work on and click it to open its details. From there, select Studio to launch the full editor. Give it a moment to load. Larger projects or slower connections may take a bit longer. Inside Studio, locate the audio track you want to separate. This should be the track that contains the mixed audio you want to pull apart. Click to select that track so it's highlighted. Next, right-click directly on the track region. A context menu will appear. From this menu, choose Splitter. This opens BandLab's audio separation tool. You'll now be asked to choose how many tracks you want to split the audio into. Pick the option that matches your needs. For example, fewer splits are faster and simpler, while more splits give you finer control over individual elements but may take longer to process. Keep in mind this splitter feature is available for premium accounts only. If you don't see the option, check your plan or make sure you're signed into the correct subscription. After you make your selection, let BandLab do the processing. Try not to navigate away while it's working. When it's done, you'll see the separated parts appear as new tracks in your project timeline. This makes it much easier to solo or mute elements, rebalance levels, and apply effects to only the parts you need, without touching the rest of the mix. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your project in Studio, selected the target track, used Splitter, and chosen the number of tracks to create. If the result isn't what you expected, you can undo and try a different split option to see what gives you the cleanest separation for your specific audio. Save your project when you're happy and you're ready to move on to mixing or arranging.